Hello, my name is Sammy Hilmer, and I'm going to be sharing my teaching philosophy through a presentation structure called Ignite. We live in an emerging world that is in need of people with communication, teamwork, critical thinking skills, as well as flexibility. We are also more connected than ever before, and new skills of being able to be technologically literate and capable of leading and collaborating with a diverse group of people will be more beneficial than ever before. I want to be able to foster the passion and excitement to create, lead, and inspire others and any student I come in contact with. There's a school called Mission Starfish in Haiti that I always think of and that will give me some grace as a teacher. Mission Starfish Haiti was named after a story on a beach where a young man was trying to save washed up starfish by throwing them back in the water. Another man came up to him and asked why he was trying to throw them back, because there were thousands and he was not going to be able to save them all. The young man continued what he was doing, saying, "But I saved this one, and this one, and this one." Although I might not be able to reach or touch every student I have in my classroom, or the entirety of whatever grade I teach throughout the state of Iowa, I have the opportunity to at least touch a single life, and I would have truly fulfilled my duty and role as an educator. The purpose of education, in my eyes, is to provide a vision of the world and its concepts to people that abide in it. There are so many amazing ideas out there, as well as those yet to be discovered. As a teacher, I want to help you responsible for providing environments and opportunities for these discoveries and ideas, as well as develop the passions and desires that will launch these individuals into doing something about those ideas. Students learn best by being given many opportunities to learn. There are many different types of learners that need different environments to grow. Even though I have favorite ways of teaching as well as types of teaching where I'm most comfortable, I want to be prepared to possibly go out of my comfort zone to best meet each student wherever they are at. The most important aspects of my teaching are that I believe that individuals have a particular place in this world, and if any way possible, I would like to be part of spawning even a small vision for what that might mean for each and every one of my students.